I'm currently trying to deep clean my fridge. I've taken out all the trays to be washed. And look how dirty these surfaces are. Okay guys, I now have a super clean fridge. Now I'm gonna have to put all the food back in. And I'm so excited to stock it up with Ramadan essentials. We're gonna go out later today to a few places to stock up on food. I guess my veggie stocks are sorted for the next couple of weeks. I have 2 bags of asparagus and broccoli, and more broccoli, tomatoes, cucumber, carrots, sugar snaps. I have cauliflower in the frozen section, and I might only need some spring onions, and that's it. We went to 3 places for groceries. So these 3 bags are from Tesco. And then this one is from Halal Butcher in Oxford. There's chicken and lamb and plantains. These are also from Asian grocer in Oxford. There's chili, all the paste, basically the Asian stuff, and a big bag of rice. Everything is pretty much stocked up, so I think we're good for Ramadan. I'm currently obsessed with this. It's so good, but super spicy. This nasi goreng paste has made my life so much easier. And I'm also gonna make sushi. Don't know when that's gonna happen though. And thank God for this flour, because Tesco always run out of flour. Now for my baby snack, I'm gonna make banana oat cookies. I'm just gonna throw whatever that I have as usual. Butter, oats, cinnamon, banana as the natural sweetener. Yep, every time it's a different recipe. It's according to what I have in the kitchen. Hopefully it'll turn out good. I'm well aware that this butter will not rise as much because it's heavy, but I still put a little bit of baking powder. Just because. This is hands down the most important thing to prepare. It's the garlic, ginger, and onion paste. So that way I'll be able to cook so much quicker. This is a stock of porridge that I made for sahur. It's gonna last for a few days, I think, for the both of us. That's quite a lot. And these are lamb curry. I made a big batch of them because it can be eaten with rice, naan, roti canai, anything. It's also my husband's favorite, so I'm gonna freeze one of them and refrigerate the other. These are banana oat cookies that I made for my son earlier. This is ayam kunyit, or fried chicken with turmeric and chili. And this is fried shallots to go with the porridge. This is dried chili paste to make sambal. This is the onion, garlic, and ginger paste from earlier. And these strawberries, I'm gonna make marmalade for my strawberry milk later today. And this is the cucumber and lemon infused water. So that's it. I think this will pretty much cover our first week of Ramadan. Ramadan Kareem, everyone. Thank you for watching.